Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
So this was the old uh, topology which we created yesterday.
Okay, now create a new topology, like new network.
Mm, mm, oh, okay.
No, 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 no. On the same sheet. On the same
Yeah.
sheet, we have to
Keep
create a
that
network.
and keep a similar network, switch, three PCs and a laptop, and
I,
connect the switch in between.
I just discarded it. Sorry. Can you share the
And
screen?
undo it. Try to undo it. Oh, let us
It's
check.
it's not happening.
Or click on file and click on open recent files.
Mm,
Nothing is there. Okay.
mm.
So not a problem. It's very easy.
One PC. There were three PCs, I guess,
Three pieces in a lap.
Yeah.
and a laptop and
Which right?
Yes, and a
I too
switch.
didn't get ma'am. I tried, but
switch. My
Why we
many.
are not? Why we are not able to get it? Because switch will connect only singular network, right?
Mm,
yeah.
So these are two different networks. So in that case, we need a router.
mm,
Hmm.
Here comes a router. Okay.
41 router, and then
No, 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 no. Use the switch first. Use
oh,
the switch first. Create two different network.
okay.
And those who have done, just use a router and connect these two switches to the router. Okay. Then you have to define the default gateway. Default gateway for first network, it will be 192.168.10.1. For the second network, it will be 20.1.
Switch and then what to do?
Here, connect the switches and sorry, connect the PCs and
Mhm.
assign the static IP.
What was the cable? Copper
Copper straight through.
straight through. Copper straight through. Straight through. Yeah. So, which port?
Fast Ethernet 01.
Okay. Mm, RS32? 232?
No, no, it should have fast Ethernet 0.
Mm, it does not have it here.
Okay, try with different laptop. Check you
Mm,
have given the correct laptop or not. Remove this.
yep. Laptop. Okay. And then cable, copper, fast Ethernet. Yeah, got it. And then copper, fast Ethernet to again.
First, click on the PC, then click on the switch.
No, whatever it is, it should show the port.
Same problem for this. I guess I need to delete all this. Maybe they don't have it. What's the situation? I took it from the recent devices. And then cable, copper, fast Ethernet, 0, then again, and then again. Yeah.
Now assign IP addresses.
Yeah. Mm. IP config 192.168.20.
No, this is 10 series. So create 10.10.
10.10 and then tab, and this is done, and then this config text of IP 190 Done, ma'am.
Okay, now try to ping it.
Command prompt. 192.168.
Okay, similar to that, create another network with 20 series. To make the connection easier, just you can select the cable and select the first Thunderbolt. Like while connecting, I'll let you know. Place
Okay.
all the
The laptop. And now again a switch.
Yes,
960 switch. And then Thunderbolt. This one, ma'am.
yes. Connect it. Just no need to select the port. Just connect it. Yeah.
Okay. So it will choose the best port available with the
Yes.
most compatible cable.
Yes. Now assign static IP with 20 series.
20.11. And
Okay, now try pinging within this network.
okay. And, okay. And 168.20.11. Hmm?
What's the error message you are getting?
Ping request could not find host 192.168.11.
So you have given some backslash at the last. Just use a arrow. Wait.
Oh, okay,
Use
okay.
a arrow. Yeah. Remove the backslash. Yes. Hit. Now try to ping from PC4 to PC1 or 2.
PC4, this one in this network.
Yes. PC4 to PC to this network. Try to ping it.
Ping PC5.
Yes. No, in the second network. From
Oh, it's
PC in the second
okay.
network.
Got it, got it. 192 in the 20 series.
Yes, yes, you're right.
And it won't ping, I guess, because there is no connection.
Try to connect between the switches. Connect between the switches.
Okay. With a compatible cable.
Yes. It's setting up.
Yeah. I use the Thunderbolt.
Okay, not at all.
When this yellow sign means it's still setting up.
Yes, it's orange. Yes.
Oh, orange.
At the bottom, you can find some forward symbol. Next to time. Next to time, you can at the bottom. Above this routers, above this network devices. Yes, above that, you can find time, a
Mm-hmm.
refresh symbol, and forward symbol. Forward symbol. Forward symbol. Yes, click on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now try to ping PC that is right between these two network,
Okay.
10 series and 20 series.
Still it is timeout.
Why is it so?
Mm,
Because they don't have a network and they're gonna get it through router.
So this
because
switch can communicate only with the similar network. So it can communicate only 10 series or 20 series. Okay.
mm,
Okay. Just give me a minute.
but still there is a connection established. Then what does this mean? I mean, like the this connection is on. I mean, is it then why the packets can't travel?
They're both on different networks. One is on 20.0 and another is on 10.0. So the switches cannot communicate on layer 3.
Oh, okay, okay.
Between networks, you need a router in between.
What if we had that switch which we discussed
That's a
yesterday?
layer 3 switch. That's router plus switch combined. So
So,
it can do it at same thing.
oh,
It will be able to because it has a router in it.
so that can communicate.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back. So now try to connect these two switches to a router.
Sit here.
Remove the connection between the switches.
Okay. Shit.
Delete it.
Yeah.
Delete the connection.
Then one.
Now open this router.
Mm.
Config.
Mm.
Gigabit Ethernet. Select that. 00. Turn the port status on. Yes. 01. Turn port status on. Okay. Now in 00, go to 00. Wait. Go to 00.
Mm.
We have to give the default gateway. So in IPv4 address, for the first network, it is 192.168.10.1. Select the subnet mask.
192.168.10.1
Yes.
subnet mask.
Yes. Now go to Gigabit Ethernet 01
Yeah.
and select 192.168.20.1.
20.1.
Yes. Yeah. Now close this and now try to ping. Will it be pinging?
Yes, ma'am.
No, it won't ping.
No, it won't. Why? Okay, try pinging. You'll not get it. The default gateway is not defined in both the networks. We have defined that with the router and that's
Mm.
not done with the PCs.
Oh,
So we
yeah.
have to mention the default gateway for each PC. Yeah, default gateway.
But then we still have one trouble left, right?
What is that?
Routing. We need to tell it where to go next after it reaches the router.
Let us check.
Ma'am, that's it. Just the
That's
default
it.
gate.
That's it. We have to assign the default gateway for all the PCs. So according to the network, yeah, we have to assign it. If it is a 10 series, it should be 10.1. If it is 20 series, it should be 20.1. Close this. No. You have to close this. Yeah. No, not this one.
Sorry.
Open laptop. Yeah. Wait. Here you see, wait, go to desktop. You see a blue color tab, right? Close that.
Mm.
Yes. Now try pinging within the network and then try pinging externally.
Okay. Mm. 20 not 10.
Now try pinging 10.10.
Okay. Oh, sorry. This is, oh, 92.168.10.10. Yeah, it's pinging.
Initially it will fail because
Yeah.
it will take some time to route. So initially it will fail, then it will ping. If you ping again, it will be pinging fine.
Yeah, it's pinging. Send 4 packet, receive 4 packets.
Yes. Now do you find the difference between two different networks and the connecting device?
Yes.
So have you all done? Are we working on it? What
Yes.
about others?
I don't know why. For few it's failing, for few it's going through.
No, initially it will fail. Like one packet will be lost initially. For others, it will be pinging fine. Share a screen. Let me check.
Okay. I'm gonna have to get out and come back, and I'm using a different lab.
Oh, okay.
1 second. So if I ping from PC0 to PC3, it fails.
Okay. Click on PC3. Let me check the configuration. IP configuration 20.1. Okay. So all the PCs are failing or only some?
No, I don't know from
Okay.
this one.
Okay, no.
This
Try from PC0 to PC4. PC0 to PC4.
this
Yeah.
fails.
Okay. Okay. Check.
This works successful.
So laptop to PC is working. Okay.
No, no,
Place a,
PC1. This PC to PC3 it works.
okay. Place a mouse pointer on each PC. Let me check the default gateway. 10.1. Okay. Next one. So no. You have to then first one. What is the first one? Is the mouse pointer 168. And what is the gateway? Is it 192.168?
Oh, 19 it is.
98. Yeah, that is the problem.
Like, why am I getting
See, already I'm having a very bad vision.
68?
Now try to ping.
Yeah,
Please.
yeah, it worked.
Yes. What about others? Is it working?
Ma'am, same is happening in my situation right now.
Hmm.
Some of them are failing and some of them are working.
Initially it will fail, then it will work. Try for
Okay,
the second time and check
sure, ma'am.
because we have given the configuration correctly. So yeah, what happened, Jyoti? Is it working?
I'm trying, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened, Akshay? Is it working?
Yes, ma'am, all successful. I was trying, I mean, like Gur Pratap's method, like just putting the mails into that mail symbol into pinging thing.
Yeah,
So,
I gave you yesterday. I said you yesterday, right? Yes.
yeah, but I
You
forgot
don't
about that.
remember? Okay.
I
Now
was trying it
Harish,
again. Yeah, it's
okay.
happening, but because of that one packet, it's showing failed in the that bottom thing. So I was thinking that maybe it's failing, like full fail, like network is failing. But then yeah, it's just one packet.
Just you
So
can use this mail method, and also at the bottom you can find something like real time and simulation, right? You can
Mhm.
click on simulation and check how the packets are moving.
Oh, okay.
Right bottom you can find the simulation.
Yeah, I found it. Correct. In stimulation real time.
In real time, I'm sorry, it is in real time. So
Okay.
it will show how the packets are moving from source to destination.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Yeah, it's successful.
Okay. Harish, are we working or just here online?
No, I'm working, ma'am. I'm also doing it on another laptop, but I'm just not understanding that when I'm pinging within the same network to another PC, why is it timing out? It's failing.
Within the same
Um,
network?
within the same network, it's failing. I haven't connected the switches yet. I've made both the networks, but I'm just not understanding why it's not pinging between them. I'm trying to figure out why it's not pinging.
So check with the static IP address you have assigned.
192.168.20.11.20.12. Oh, I think I figured out why. Instead of 168, one of the PCs I gave 68.
Okay.
Ping.
So once you are done with this, you have to create similar network like use a switch, use 4 PCs to connect, and then we have to connect a server now. So one server, one switch, 4 PCs, and don't assign the IP address. Don't assign the IP address. Once you're done with this, let me know.
Then we have to do other than this, what network I have created right now.
No, now, initially we use the switch and 4 PCs, right, to connect.
Yes, ma'am.
Just like that, create that network and add the server to the switch. Now, what we are trying to do is, initially we did a static IP address assigning, and right now we are going to use dynamic, that is DHCP. We are going to enable this DHCP.
So just a new device in the network, or do we have to delete anything from the network?
Just place this server side to the there is a side of this network.
I mean, like it would be a single server
No,
would be
no, no,
connected.
no. Create a new workspace and start it.
Okay, okay.
So Jyoti, you are able to ping between these two different networks with a router.
I'm trying the first one, ma'am.
I connected server to a laptop, and after that, it's not connecting to a computer. It says no port available.
What I said, what will be the communicating device?
Switch?
Yes. Now connect the server to the switch
Okay,
and connect all the PCs to the switch.
okay, okay. I'm connected four computer, one laptop, and a server to a switch. Is it correct, ma'am?
Yes. Now go to that window. Go to that. No, no, no. Wait. Go to the Cisco packet tracer or open it. Let me check.
Ma'am, here I can't find my laptop, ma'am. The tools.
No, no, no. Go to Cisco packet tracer. Open Cisco packet tracer.
Minimize the window, ma'am. You are not showing the entire screen. I think you are showing the only the
No,
Microsoft.
No, she's showing the entire screen.
entire
Just,
screen.
yeah. Open Cisco packet tracer.
Okay, for me it's not visible. That's why.
Same here.
Here I couldn't place this laptop, ma'am. Where?
Where you're trying to place a laptop.
Here.
Okay. Choose a laptop
Devices.
and devices.
By open top. No, no, no. In the devices, ma'am, where you got the PCs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here
and
only.
device.
Yeah.
Yes, click on it.
That is PC, right?
Click,
I'm
Yeah,
looking
if
click
you
for
on
click
it.
lap.
on that,
Please click on
you
it.
get laptop also. Yeah, side to the PC, second one. This side.
This.
Not that side, this side, ma'am. Yeah. No, no, no.
Middle.
The side to that. Again. No, no, no. That devices only.
Hmm.
You can find this one. That's the route. From the first onwards, go to the second one. Yeah. After that, go to the second box again. The
Here.
open
Yeah.
this side.
Okay.
In the middle, you can find middle in the sense. Come to the right.
I have home.
No, no, no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After sixth, seventh one is there PC, right? No, no, from the top only. Go to
One,
the
You have
two,
seventh.
select.
three,
You
four,
have
five,
selected the
six.
PC. No, no, no. You have
Hmm.
selected the PC, right?
Yeah.
Just place the mouse pointer on the PC. How to select the PC? How to select the PC?
Like this.
Yes. Next. Oh, you are selecting from there.
From the bottom, she is selecting, and from
Okay.
from the top
Stop.
only, go to the seventh or eighth one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
No, no, no.
Top, top,
From the top,
top,
you
on the
should
No.
top.
straight
Just
way, straight
continuously.
way.
Go continuously. Go
Yeah,
continuously.
eighth one.
Yes.
That is the
Yeah.
laptop. Yeah, that is the laptop. And when you click on these six items, you will get remaining. What are the items under that power plan? You will get those all things here
Ma'am,
in this box.
I have to configure here, ma'am.
Yes, you have to connect this laptop to the switch.
After that, I have to change the static. I'm like, I have to go to static and
Yes, you have to change the default gateway and you
hmm,
have to change the port status of the router. Now the port status of the router is not on. So just click on router, go to config, go to gigabit ethernet 0000. Yeah, port status top right on. Yeah, in IPv4 address type 192.168.
192.168
168.10.1
168.
dot
Okay.
10.1.
10.1.
Click on subnet mask. Click on subnet mask. Okay, wait. Let me check the Ethernet. Okay, give it 10.1.
10.1. Okay.
Now place the mouse pointer in subnet mask. Yeah. Close. Go to gigabit Ethernet 01. Now assign the IP address 192.168.20.1.
Subnet
Place the
mask.
subnet mask. Yes. Closes. Now assign default gateway to all the PCs.
Okay.
It should be 10.1 for this network on the left.
It is static only, ma'am, here.
No, not here. Go to desktop. Click on the PC.
Okay, yeah.
No, wait. Click on the PC. Click on the PC. PC is desktop, not your desktop. Yeah. He closed it. Click on PC2. Click on PC2. Double click on PC2.
Here, ma'am. PC2.
No, ma'am. Actually, the pieces which you connected to the switch, right? PC1, PC2, PC0,
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
That pieces.
IP address is not set. Okay, double click on it. Yeah. Go to desktop. At the top, you can find desktop.
Yeah, desktop. Yeah.
IP configuration. Give it like 192.168.10.10. Place the mouse pointer in subnet mask. Now place the mouse pointer in default gateway and change it to 192.168.10.1.
192.168.10.1, right?
Yes, you're right. Close this window and
Same.
assign. Yeah, we have to assign. Yeah, 10.11 for this and default gateway is 10.1. So assign it. Have we assigned the default gateway like this?
Yes. Ah, desktop, sorry.
What is the IP address? It should be 10.11 and default gateway is 10.1.
Right, ma'am?
Yes. Check the IP address of the previous one. It is 10.11 already. So now we have to give 10.12.
Oh. Default gateway, it will be the same, ma'am.
Yeah, you tell me whether it should be same or not.
Yeah, it should be the same.
Okay.
Next is 13.
That's done. Go to laptop.
This one is right, ma'am. For laptop.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the port status is not in green signal, it is in red signal. Click on the router. Go to gigabit Ethernet 01. 01. 01. Yeah. See, the port status is not on. Now assign the IP addresses in 20 series and the default gateway will be 20.1. It's not 10.1, and for this it will be 20.1. So assign it by yourself and
Mm.
try pinging it.
Okay, fine.
So Akshay, are we done with the server configuration?
Yes, ma'am. I've added the server to the topology and three PCs and one laptop and connected all of them to a switch.
Okay. So in this, you have to select the switch. Sorry, select the server,
Okay.
and in the server you can find config.
Mm. Yes, ma'am.
You can share the screen. Let me.
Sure. Entire screen share. Is it visible?
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am. So here we are.
services. Sorry, click on services.
Services. Yes.
You can see DHCP at the left,
Yes.
and you have to turn on the service. Under there is pool name, server pool, and you have to mention the start IP address. What is the IP address we are going to start? It is 192.168.10.10.
Okay. So default we have to set.
No, why we are no, we are not supposed to set the default gateway. Why?
Oh yeah, we don't have any router here.
Yes. So go with the start IP address 192.168.10.10.
92.168.10.10. Oh, sorry. I have to press tab. 168 dot 10 dot 10. Yes, ma'am.
Go to subnet mask 255.255.255.0. 0. Yeah. Save it.
Mm, there is no. Yeah, here. Yes.
Yeah. Now go to desktop
Desktop.
and click on IP configuration.
Yes, ma'am.
And this, no, wait. The server IP should be static. So as we have given like starting IP address is 192.168.10.10, we can start with this 192.168.10.10.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on subnet mask. So close this one. Now go to the PC and enable this DHCP and check whether you're getting the IP address.
Yes, ma'am.
But it should get from 10.11. It is getting 10.11. Sorry, 10.1. Close this one. Go to the server again. It may be initially it will select like 10.1, but we have to go there and change it again and save it. So it takes some time. So click on IP configuration. Yeah. No, go to services. I'm sorry. Go to services.
Mm,
DHCP.
yes.
Yeah, it is from 10.0. See, start IP address. Select it as 10.10. Yeah, and save it again. Save it. Close this one and go to the PC
Mm,
IP configuration. DHCP. DHCP.
yes, ma'am. 11.
10.11. Yes. And in the laptop, it will be 10.1. We have to change that as well. Close this window. Open laptop. 10.12. Okay. Go to PC1. Change it and try to ping it. Change to all other two devices and trying to ping it.
Sure. Ma'am, is it like in a network topology, like 10.1 is given to specific, like it's like router gets that IP? I mean, like the default gateway gets that IP?
Yes, exactly. And if you go and check with your system, you can find the default gateway will be the net in the network series of your IP address, and last will be 1.
Should I do this as
Yes,
well? Or?
yes. IP address is not selected, right? So you have to, yeah.
Now I'll try to ping.
Just
Ping.
use a mail. Use a mail.
Oh yeah, correct. Sorry. And can I even ping server?
Yes, you can.
Is ma'am all are successful?
So this is how the dynamic configuration, that is dynamic IP address configuration, is done with the server. Now use the same server and try to connect with that is we have created on router to switch network, right? As previously.
Oh, okay.
You
Yes.
try to connect the server to the first switch,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And then we have to route the packet through the default gateway. So we have to enable the default gateway both in the server, uh, just in the server, and for the second network, we have to create new network pool, server pool.
Hmm.
Okay, then try communicating with these two.
Ma'am, but then they don't have any connection in between. So for that, we have to put a router again.
No, the server should be connected to the first switch.
Still, I'm not getting what's the thing.
What was the previous exercise?
It was just not the this server was not there, but everything was same. Connected to a router in between. I mean, like same two networks connected to a router in between.
Yep, just like that. We are this is the one. So the server is gonna get connected with the switch, first switch. That is the only connection we are going to make newly to the previous network.
So do we have to create connect one more server, or that's it? This
No,
server would work.
no, no. Open the previous exercise, please.
Sure, sure.
Kindly save all your pieces, guys. Sorry, all your work in the packet tracer, so it will be easy for you to have a reference.
Yes, it's here.
Okay. Now place a server near the first switch.
Okay.
Now make the connection to the switch. That's it. This is what I said. Okay.
Oh.
Now, yeah. Now go to the server,
Hmm.
open server, and you have to configure the services as we did before. So, services,
Oh yeah.
services.
DHCP on default gateway. Ma'am, default gateway would be
Yeah,
one.
what is the default gateway now? Two default gateways, right?
Yes.
For the first network, it will be 10.1.
Okay, got it, ma'am. Yeah. Right. Thank you. Dot one and start IP would be 192.168. 168.10 dot
10.
oh shit. Um, mm,
Save it. Save
mm,
it.
yes.
So we have two different networks. So in that case, we have to add one more pool. Okay. So in wait. So in that case, yes, remove the server pool and name it as second network. Yes. And it should the default gateway will be 20.1.
I guess, ma'am.
And the starting IP address will be 20.10.
Okay.
Save it. Subnet mask is not done. Select the subnet mask.
Add.
No, 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 no.
Oh,
The
okay. Okay.
yeah, select it, and give the subnet mask for both the
Yeah.
holes. So
Save.
save,
And then this also 255, 255, 255. Save.
save it. Yeah.
Okay.
So now go to desktop. Wait. Go to desktop. IP configuration. You have to assign static IP. Right now, as it is connected to the first switch, we have to give the first that is first network IP address. So it should be 10.10 or 10.11. 192.168.10.10 or 10.11, whatever it is.
Yes, ma'am.
And we have to mention the default gateway and subnet mask.
Mm.
192.160.10.1 default gateway. Why we are assigning the static IP for server? So right now the server is connected to the first switch and we are giving the first switch network series. Okay. If you are connecting to the second switch, then we can go with the second series. Okay. Close this one. Now we have to configure the router. So already we have configured the default gateway, but we have to mention that the connection will be established through the DHCP from the server. So click on the router,
Router. Okay.
go to CLI,
Mm.
enable the router, config T, select the interface, it's gigabit Ethernet. So 0G0/0. Hit enter. Now it should have the default gateway. So it is IP address, IP space address. Mention it as like 192.168.10.1
Ma'am, no space in between.
space
192.168.
dot 10.1 and subnet mask. Give a space 255.255.255.0. Now IP space helper hyphen address. So here we are giving the server IP address. So give a space. No, use you have to give 192.168.10.10.
Oh, okay. 192.168.10.10.
Hit enter.
Yes.
So exit out of this interface.
Exit.
Select the second interface. No, we have to go to second interface. So config and go to second interface.
Config T.
Yeah.
Um, second interface. What should I do now? I int
Yes.
0/0/1.
Yes. Now specify the second IP address. It is 20.1.
IP address 192.168.20.1.
255 space 255.255.255.6. Hit enter. Now give the same IP helper address like 10.10.
What does this helper do?
This is getting the IP or we are assigning the server as a DHCP server. So we have to get or assign the IP addresses to two different networks through this router. It's 10.10. It's not 20.10, it's 10.10. What I said, we have connected to the first switch. So it will be like 10.10. Same address is used for assigning for the second network.
Okay, so this server is acting like a helper, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hit enter. Okay, exit. Exit. Close this window. Now open, go to the first network, click on the laptop and change the static to DHCP. So it is getting 10.2, but it is supposed to get 10.11. Close this window, go to the server pool 1 and check that it is 10.0 services. Yeah, it's 10.0. Make it as 10.1, sorry, 10.10. Save it. Yeah. Now close this window.
Even for this, both.
Yes, 20.10. It will be assigned, not a
No,
problem.
but it is already there 10. How
Yeah.
about so?
20.10. Yeah, it is assigned by as right. In case of server pool 1, it will be assigned automatically. So it will change it to 0 initially.
Oh, okay.
Okay. For the second time we change it, it will accept it. Change it to static and then DHCP.
Yeah, random 15.
Yeah. Now, just like that, do for all the PCs. For the first network, you should get 10 dot series. For the second network, you should get 20 dot series.
Ma'am, why I didn't took the address which it was assigned earlier? I mean, like,
It is automatically assigning, right? So it will choose randomly and it will assign it.
oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, it's taking 10.10. Okay, now
20.10. Ma'am, is it correct? 20.10.
my network got enter. Mhm.
It's giving the same IP address which it was earlier.
Yeah, that
If I do
but
DH.
it is within the series, right? It is getting the series, right?
Yeah, it's within the range.
Okay, not a problem then. Close this one and change for all other pieces.
Done for all, ma'am.
Now to ping. Now try to ping between these two networks.
Okay. Oh, first packet
So this is how
successful.
the server is communicating with the client machines. What about others? Are we doing it? Yeah, what happened to Jyoti? Sorry there.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying.
Okay. Guru Pratap.
Almost done.
Okay. Harish.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, working on it.
Okay.
I'll share this commands in the group.
Okay.
You're working for me.
Fine. What about others?
Deepak is not saying anything.
No, no, no. I'm just looking at it. I'll make it as a homework. I'll do it as a homework.
I shared the commands which
Yeah,
is like
in
uh,
the WhatsApp, right?
yeah, in the WhatsApp. So
Yeah.
these commands are going in router.
Okay.
If you want, I can share my packet tracer file too.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, is like what is static and dynamic? We have completed this. This comes under the trial version on the graph work of the project, right, ma'am?
This is how we can identify the network,
Okay.
identify the devices, and how the IP addresses are working, and what is
Okay.
default gateway, and
Okay.
where we have to give the default gateway, and when we are assigning static IP address, and when we are assigning or when we are going for the DHCP. So
Okay.
this is all about how we are configuring the LAN network. So right now we are connecting with the LAN network.
Okay. We are just doing with the LAN network.
Yes.
Okay. In this only we can go with the Wi-Fi and all things, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Switch.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes, Jyoti.
No, ma'am. It's the same thing I was asking.
Okay. So next one is you have to configure a server as a web server, and we have to enable the firewall. Make a note of the points I'm giving to you. Okay. You have to use one server, 3 PCs.
One server, 3 pieces. Okay.
And in the server configuration, we have to go to the desktop,
Okay.
and under desktop you
Can
can
you
find,
repeat, ma'am, in the server?
Okay.
go to, if you click on server, you can go to desktop.
Okay.
Under desktop, you can find IPv4 firewall. IPv4 firewall.
Firewall. Okay.
If you click on it, you can find services. You have to turn on the services,
Okay.
and you will have like action. So you have to deny. So action
Okay.
will be allow or deny. What we are trying to do is we are going to block the pinging between the PCs, but we should be able to work with the internet. Okay, so
Can
I'm
you
going
repeat
to
once, ma'am, please?
we are going to deny, or we are going to block the ping between PCs.
Okay.
So this ping is nothing but ICMP. So we are going to select ICMP, and you have to give the protocol to be selected is ICMP,
Mm-hmm.
and you have to give the IP ranges starting from 0.0.0.02 255 255 255 255.
Okay.
So it is going to block all the IPs,
Okay.
and you have to add it. You have to add this. So it will be like server pool. So we have to add it. Again, you have to select the action, and you have to allow. And in that allow, you have to select IP. So internet protocol. We can ping internet protocol. So select IP. And again, you have to give the IP range 0.0.0.0 to 255 255 255 255. Just make this configuration, and let us check how to block and how to allow and how to check it in the next class.
Yeah. And this should be shown through the Cisco packet only. We can't share in the we can't make it as a homework, right? We have to do it and we have to save it in the Cisco packets.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So kindly make this configuration, and only then it will be easy for us to check whether it is blocking or not.
Okay.
So right now, this is a kind of firewall enabling.
For the system or for the server? We are doing for both, right? Firewall
It is
enabling for the system and server.
This is enabling for blocking LAN ping, and it is allowing internet ping.
Okay. Okay.
PCs should not communicate. It should not get successful, but
No.
it should be able to work with the internet.
Okay.
I'll send you the packet. Okay, have a look at it and have a look at the configuration
Okay.
and do it by yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, are we clear with today's concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. We can see the remaining in next class.
And we're going to continue with the normal classes, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
we are
But
done. We have
no,
done
no,
with
no.
the remaining 10 days classes previously.
No. We are yet to complete some attacks. So
Okay.
I'll just explain it at the end of the class by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
So what are the attacks possible? How these attacks are happening with the devices? You can see that in the end of the class by tomorrow.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay.
if I give some assignment, do it by yourself. Try it by yourself. Check with other channels like YouTube channel, or check with Google, or check with the ChatGPT. Those are many resources available. Okay, don't close your laptop once we are done with the class and open the laptop and while we are starting the class. Okay, you
Okay.
have to put some effort.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
any doubts?
So in homework we have to share the packet tracer file and some written document, or just the packet tracer file.
Just a packet tracer and the okay, just a packet tracer will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am.
thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.